Hello everyone, I'm Ray, the editor for teachchemistry.org. I'm excited to share with all of you some general information about engagement, as well as some exciting updates that we made this year to provide users with the best experience possible on our site. To put everything in context, we still had over 1 million visits to teachchemistry.org this year, which is above pre-pandemic levels, but the number has still gone down since last year. Over the next few minutes, I'll talk about some general updates that we've been making, along with some research initiatives that we led as we seek to understand and improve user experience on the site. We hope to make the site as pleasant of an experience as possible so that people can find what they need and keep wanting to return as they explore and navigate through a vast array of resources. I'll go into depth on a few of these, but here's a general overview of some of the improvements and projects that we worked on this year. Small changes like allowing people to save their favorite webinars by clicking on the star next to the title, like they already can with Classroom Resources, will hopefully enhance a sense of connectedness to the site, since people can keep all their favorite resources and webinars in one place. Also, teachers can now have a more streamlined experience with the Chem Matters archive that we offer, since all the teachers' guides are linked on the issue and article page, so readers can easily access a document with ideas on how to incorporate articles into their classroom. Beyond that, we launched a new resource type, migrated the Chem Club program content from ACS.org to teachchemistry.org, made it easier for people to find the resources that they need through search and filtering, and implemented 2 research initiatives, including a classroom resources survey that yielded results from almost 1,000 respondents. Next, let's talk about our new chemistry game. We're excited to add this interactive resource to our library, especially considering the popularity of our simulations. Multiple respondents to our resources survey I mentioned earlier noted in the open-ended questionnaire that they wanted more hands-on resources that their students could play around and interact with to engage different learning styles. This game allows students to test their ionic bonding knowledge by forming ionic compounds. And there's even a competition round at the end where students race to create and name as many compounds as possible, earning points. Feel free to check it out yourself. You'll find it right on the homepage for now and on our multimedia page as well. Furthermore, as we know, AACT now runs the Chem Club program, and teachers can now find everything that they need on teachchemistry.org. So we moved all of the content over from ACS.org this year. Students and teachers alike are welcome to navigate these pages to learn more about how to start a club, find activities, and more. Considering our wealth of resources, small changes can make a huge difference while teachers are looking for what they want to use in their classrooms. We amended the filters function, you can see it on the right in this photo, in our classroom resources library to make it easier and quicker for teachers from all grade levels to sift through. As a teacher selects from the topics on the right-hand side, the page quickly reloads and any option that wouldn't yield any results is grayed out. For example, elementary school teachers can look through classroom resources that pertain to acids and bases without being bogged down by options like equivalence point, which wouldn't be helpful in this case. We also conducted a session recording study with our web vendor Viget. This study involved a straightforward, anonymous recording of the ways that people navigate the site. We asked ourselves, how are users finding what they need? And are there any pain points? We found that a lot of individuals are actually using the search function instead of going to the classroom resources page. But they can end up spending a lot of time here trying to find what they need. So to improve this experience, we're currently working on branding search and adding filters so that users can find what they need more quickly and just have a more enjoyable experience in general. To illustrate this, here's what search looks like currently. And this is a prototype of the improvements that we're working on now with branded colors and the option to refine the search by different categories. Hopefully this will enhance engagement and allow for a more seamless user experience by helping teachers find what they need more quickly. Well, for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope this overview was useful, and please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions that you might have.